Hello friends, in this video I shall show how to use Firestore in the Firebase using Angular. So let's start. First of all, import Angular Firestore and initialize it in the constructor. After that, created a function for adding, getting the data and updating, delete with the key and delete the whole collection. These 5 functions have been defined on the HTML action. This is the button and each button calls each function. So let's start. This is the add function that creates a new collection if not present and adds the data in that. So here is the data of key value pair and this is the collection. If this collection is not present, then it will be automatically created, and after that in that collection data will be added. After that a reference will be provided using which you can get the ID of that collection. Here is the get function that gets all the data from the collection. Here collection is contact, so get all the data present in the contact collection using the snapshot changes function and subscribed it, and all the data will be present in the res variable. Now you can get the 0th index data using index operator like this, and this whole line gives the ID of the document, and this is the data of that document. This is the update function that updates the collection contact and sets the new data, and if this key value pair is not present previously, then it will be added, else new key value pair will be added in that data. This is the delete field function. It deletes any field of the document's data. So here deleting the name field of the 0th index document that we have stored here. Where it is, this one, we have stored the document of 0 index in the res variable. So currently here we are deleting the name field, this one, from that document. Okay, and after that this is the delete collection function and it deletes the whole collection present. So let's start in the UI. That this is the collection and this is empty right now. So add in the Firestore. Let's open the inspect. So you can see that document has been added and this is the ID of the document. So go to the Firestore and refresh it. Now you can see that this is the contact collection, and in that collection here is the document, this is the document ID, and here is the data. This is the data that has been provided to add in the contact collection. So contact collection was not present previously, so added the contact collection and generated a new document ID randomly and added the data in that. So you can see the document ID here also. This one is the document ID, and now get all the data from the Firestore. Now you can see that this is the data present in that collection document, and now update the 0 index clicking on this button. So what it does, you can see that it added the new key value pair completed false because it was not present previously. So added this as a new key value pair, and now delete the field. What it will do is delete the name key from this data, so delete it. Now you can see that the name key has been gone, and now delete the total collection, delete collection. Okay, now you can go here and see that here now you can see that there is no any collection present.